So I'm Bev Flanagan, as you've just mentioned. I love purple, as you've just mentioned, and I'm blending in with the carpet today here at Accountex Manchester, which is good. So I won't lay down just in case I get trampled on. My business is BFF, which is Bev Flanagan Financial, and I've been an accountant for 28 years. I know I don't look old enough, but yeah, it's true. I've had the best of both worlds. So I've worked in industry and in practice, and I had my own business, Mind Your Assets Accounts, for 17 years, and I successfully sold it in the summer of 2022. And Johann knows all about that because he is the acquirer.
So, Tony Walker, what do I do? Well, I'm part of Analytics.
Yep.
Analytics, I suppose most people know us from an open banking technology standpoint. We provide open banking services across a number of sectors. So accountants, obviously people here will know us from.
Yeah.
But we have a lot of clients in the legal sector, financial services, strange enough, gaming. So a lot of areas where people just need data. So if you think about journeys that today are manual and painful for both the professional and the individual, quite often it's because you've asked them for some financial information and that all becomes and that's where open banking lends itself to this consent model where you can share the data you want to share, and the professionals get exactly what they need to make their decisions.
So my name is Marcus. I'm a senior success manager at Swoop, and we're effectively a funding and savings platform to help accountants help their clients access the market of funding and savings opportunities.
I'm Damon. I'm the Managing Director of Employment Hero for the UK. Why should we care? Employment Hero are completely changing the game for how we make the workplace more valuable and easier for everyone. So it's a pretty big deal. And everyone works. Well, most people work.
Yeah, exactly.
So it's a big impact.
Yeah. My name's James. I'm the Head of Business Development at Hammock, and we are the accounting platform for landlords.
My name's Alan Butler. I have an accounting practice in Derby. I developed a piece of software called Line Books. I'll tell you a little bit about it in a minute. And basically, we sell that software to other accountants. It's basically software, cloud-based, for preparing VAT returns, annual accounts, but directly from bank statements.
So I'm Hannah Dobby, and I'm a portfolio FD. So I worked for the last 10 years with a high net worth family in a private family office.
Yeah.
And now I'm out on my own.
So my name is Clive Hand. I'm the owner of Bluestone Accounting. So Bluestone Accounting is a digital online outsourced accounts finance function for small and medium businesses in Ireland. It's to me, it's a new concept, taking a digital approach to providing accountancy services to small and medium business owners who desperately need it.
I'm Kaylee Graham. I'm the Head of Partnerships and Growth over at Teleroo, where we support accountants and bookkeepers with automating supplier and payroll payments. That's the boring bit. And then the fun bit is I'm also a speaker and columnist all around all things DEI in the accounting space.
Yeah, so I'm Phil Hobden. I've been around in the accounting tech space for probably about 10 years now. Started my career off at Futurely, and I've been at a couple of different businesses along the way. I work predominantly on the sales leadership and strategy side. And I'm also, like yourself, a serial podcaster.
So I'm Penny. I'm the Director of Wild Bookkeeping. And I'm here because I did a talk this morning on sustainability. So something that's really important to me.
So I'm Kirsty and I'm an accountant. We have a small practice. We're based in Kendal, but we are a virtual practice. So the team work virtually.
What's the practice called?
Hayward MacDonald Accountancy Services Limited.